Great news, everyone. I have two new products, and a lot of you have been waiting for this one in particular, my new product, Control Cream. And also, I have a new shampoo called Zero. And I'm going to explain to you what each one of these is. I know people are already ordering these because they've been live on the website for maybe a week or so now. But let's break down what each one of these is. So, Control Cream, and this is under my legacy line of the Salon Guy products, not crafted. This is my legacy line. So more of the traditional salon type of products, great performance. And this is something that I've wanted for quite some time. I've tried different variations, never really can find something like this. And Control Cream is really designed to be a universal product for men's hair, for women's hair, for all hair types, curly hair, wavy hair, straight hair. And it's designed to control your hair, control flyaways, give you that really light hold to make it feel like your hair doesn't have a lot of product in it, but just enough product that it's controlling from it flying away, from it, frizzing up, getting those static flyaways, and just that perfect amount of light hold so it's controlling your hair. And that's what this is. And I'm really, really excited about this. So comes with the cap. You can just pop that cap off. It's actually a fairly large size bottle. So you can see right here, this has, quite a bit of product in it. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you a variety of different hairstyles. So you see how this hair, the mannequin, it's kind of like all over the place. There's some frizz. It's almost like, maybe you just got out of the shower, you towel dried your hair, or you fully blow dried it. This is a finishing product, or it's a product that you put on curly hair or wavy hair and then let it air dry. So it's a combination of a lot of different products. So it's got you can see this little stopper right in through here, so that the product doesn't come out. You can hold on to that if you want to keep it, the longevity of it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to apply one pump, maybe one, no, two pumps max, depending on how long your hair is. You're going to work it through. It's a very silky, silky type of product. So you're going to work it into your hands. And just when you have enough of the product work in, then you work it into the hair like so. And what it's going to do, it's going to give the hair just a very, very light texture and control. Also, what this does, if you have really, really, really dry hair, believe it or not, it actually makes the hair look healthier and a lot more controlled and tame. So it's going to take a lot of that dryness away. And because of the ingredients, it's got jojoba oil and it's got sunflower seed extract. So those are good for a number of reasons. One, jojoba oil, it's the closest to what your skin naturally produces. Like a lot of people go to coconut oil. Coconut oil actually clogs your pores. So this is designed to act like, and that's what jojoba oil does, to be the most natural type of oil that you can have on your skin and your hair. And then the sunflower seed extract, what that does is, especially if you have your hair colored or you're outside a lot, it actually is a natural UV protectant. So when you think of a sunflower, it's never changing its color. It's always has the same beautiful texture and color to it. So that's going to have those properties in here. And as you can see, what this has done is just controlled the hair ever so slightly like this, so that you can see now it looks healthier, right? You can still kind of run your fingers through it. And it's just designed to give that perfect amount of texture and shape and hold. You can literally run your fingers through it, but it's really got uh, awesome capabilities and properties. So it makes your hair look instantly healthier. Now, I do have a couple of more mannequins that I'm going to show you here. So here is another mannequin. This is a mannequin that, maybe you have this hairstyle, maybe you have, a longer type of style, but you want something that's going to, kind of lightly hold it and control it, and you want to maybe tame it down a bit. That's where this is going to come in. So let's do two pumps just like that. I'm going to work it into the hands like this. And again, these are salon grade and salon quality type of products. So it's gonna be a lot more focused on the results of how your hair is going to look and feel and respond to this. So you can see that it's taming the hair, it's controlling the hair, it's giving it just that ever so slight light hold. And when you apply this, obviously it's going to be a bit more on the, I would say, damp side, because it's a product that's water-based product that's being applied to the hair. So there is water in it. But once it goes through the hair like this, right? You can see, and this is a product that I'm telling you, I wish I had a long time ago. Uh, the only thing closest to this is shadow, but this is like a lot less of a hold and definitely more control than shadow. But you can see what's happening through here. It's just able to control that hair so nicely. And it actually, once again, gives that hair a much healthier looking shine to it, right? So if you feel like your hair is very dull, then it's going to give you a look where your hair looks much healthier. And I can run my fingers through it just like that. But this is something that I feel like you want to set it and forget it, right? Like you don't really need to touch it. And as this dries, it's just going to have that beautiful, perfect control to it, which is what I love so much. So let's change up to another style like this. Let's say, and I do have a mannequin that's got more curl to it. So let's do one pump right there. And I have another mannequin after this that has a lot more like really, really curly hair. So work it into your hands. And this is something you can apply on either damp hair or you can apply to dry hair. But I'm going to work it through like this, and it's just going to control and tame and enhance the hair shape and texture. So this is something that, once again, if you're looking just to really give it a nice shaping, give it more of a natural kind of shine to it, if it's very, very dull, then this is going to be a great product for that. This mannequin has been through hell and back. So it's got tons and tons of different things going on. It's been laying flat on its side, but this is a great way to revive wavy hair or even curly hair. And speaking of curly hair, here is a mannequin with tons of hair, very, 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 very curly, as you could see. And again, this is for all hair types. What you want to do is take a pump like that. It pumps out a generous amount in one pump, work it through. And once again, this probably is a product that I would use on damp hair when it comes to curly hair, but I just want to show you how it can be applied. So you can work it through like this, rake it through, and then you start to shape it. And then as this dries, it's going to really, really control frizz. It's going to control and lightly tame the wave. And it's a really, really great product for all hair types. So I know a lot of you have curly hair, you've got wavy hair, male, female, doesn't really matter. But this is really, really going to be an amazing product just to give your hair that nice texture and control. And even just in this one section that I did right here, you can almost see a night and day difference between how nice this looks compared to this being very, very dry. And then this side is a lot more tame and a lot more controlled, which is the exact goal of the product, right? And then lastly, let's take a mannequin like this, really, really, really long hair. I still have some product in. And let's just say you want to run your fingers over it like this. You want something that's just going to lightly control that hair. Especially if you're a guy and you've got a longer hairstyle, you want something that's just going to tame it. And that's why I'm calling this control cream. So you can see it's getting rid of those flyaways, right? It's just giving it a really, really nice, healthy type of look. And it doesn't mean like, oh, it's adding a bunch of shine. It's just making the hair look healthier. So once again, working it through those ends and really just focusing on making the hair look more like a salon quality. And there, you can see how the night and day difference. It just tames it all down, just like that. And now, what I want to do is show you the other product. Once again, this is Control Cream. It's tagged right here. This is made in USA. You can actually purchase it right from here. And next, what I want to talk about, and I'm actually going to bring you over to the shampoo sink, This is zero. Now, this is a very, very unique. Oh, yeah. One last thing about the fragrance. It's kind of got like an orange peel, a light lemon zest. It's like a light tropical, like orange peel type of scent, mango almost, but not overly strong at all. A really nice, clean fragrance. That's that. And then zero, this is like vanilla bean, the most. It's such a. Do you ever just smell something that you're just like, oh my, like you can't stop smelling it. It's like vanilla bean heaven. So such a warm, beautiful fragrance. This is designed to be a shampoo. However, I called it zero because it has zero suds. So this is great for some of you who are like, oh, I don't want to wash my hair. I want to be more, healthy, even though shampoos are fine. I have great quality shampoos and conditioners that do set up and are beautiful. But this is designed for someone who's got like really, really thick hair, maybe really, really coarse hair, curly hair, uh, someone who is looking for a different method of cleaning their hair, right? Without, because there are people out there, and I do get them all the time. So think of this as a really, really intense conditioner that happens to clean your hair, right? And there's really good ingredients and properties in here and I've tested this many times. Yes, I've tested it on myself. I actually test it on my beard. When my hair starts to grow in, I can feel it instantly. It makes your hair feel incredible and it cleanses it without stripping out, any hair color, or it really maintains like a more natural type of cleansing for your hair without the suds. So if you have, chemical treatments, this is ideal for you. I highly suggest checking it out if you want an alternative way to cleaning your hair and you don't want to use suds and you want something like just a new, more modern approach, then this is going to be good for you. So I'm going to show you real quick what this looks like. All right, so here we are at a shampoo sink here at my studio. And here is the product right here, zero. And once again, I want you to think of this as like a hair conditioner. So you don't need a whole lot of it, if depending on your hair, right? How long it is, how curly it is. So let's just use that much. And again, you want to give it a good shake. Always make sure that the cap is sealed back on. Give it a good shake like this. One squirt or two squirts, and it's going to look like conditioner. So what you want to do is work it through your hands like this, and it's literally like it feels like a cream. And what you want to do is just apply this. Think of this as, again, like a normal shampoo, but treat this more as a conditioner. So you're going to work it through the ends first, get it through those ends, because a lot of times, especially with something like this that's so conditioning, the ends are the problem. The ends are where the hair is really, really dry, really brittle. It needs a lot more of that control. And then you can work it in to the scalp afterwards and then just massage it lightly right through the hands like this. And then, through the hair, get it on the scalp. You can see what a challenge this is. There. So work it into the scalp like you would a normal shampoo. Just lightly massage it in because you do want to obviously cleanse the hair. And this is designed to be a cleanser. So don't be afraid to get this on the scalp like you would a normal shampoo. And it's going to do a phenomenal job. So as I rinse this, the hair is going to feel, you're going to see the product coming out, right? Like you normally would a shampoo. It's just there's no suds. So it's cleaning the hair. It's utilizing ingredients that do clean it, but also at the same time condition it. And I can just feel right now the hair literally feels like silk. And you're just going to rinse it all out, and you should be good to go. If you want, you can hit it with a cool rinse, but make sure that you thoroughly rinse this out. And if you have finer hair or thin hair, I would use this very, very sparingly. I would just use like a little bit, apply it to the ends, and then, like I just did, work it towards the scalp. But if you have really thin hair, or finer hair, it may make your hair a bit more weighed down. Or I would say weighed down, but maybe possibly not as voluminous as, say, something like my volume shampoo or my pure shampoo, which is a bit more traditional. then that's where you're going to probably just end up having to use hair products, right? To get that volume in your hair. But anyway, so then you're going to lightly towel dry your hair or blot it like so, and just get all that moisture out. And then let's go back and see how easily it combs out. Now that I'm back over from the shampoo sink, I'm just going to wipe this clean. I haven't touched the hair whatsoever. I haven't used any conditioner. I just used zero. And I want to demonstrate for you how, now this is longer hair. Now I'm using a hair cutting comb, and look at this. Literally like silk. It's combing right through it. There's no knots whatsoever. Makes the hair feel incredible. And it's just, again, look at this. This is knotted right here. Just like that, one shot. Look, boom, combs right through it. So if you do have even longer hair, then you may have to work it down from a little bit from the bottom. But this just literally slicks the hair back, combs the hair back with no knots whatsoever. Your hair is going to feel incredible. So once again, ideally, if you have coarse hair, heavy hair, curly hair, thick, just really, really tough hair to manage, and you want a different alternative to the way you cleanse your hair, so it's going to cleanse it, but also make it feel like silk and healthy, then this is the way to go. And these products are, once again, now available. You can see them right here in the video. I really appreciate all the support. I'm excited to launch these. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you soon.